Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to give you an editing 101 video for gaming clips specifically. So I go through the actual strategy on what can make your video better. I show you how to frame everything and how to actually do the edits as if you are a beginner. And then at last, I go through actual statistics for my own video clips, where I've messed up and how it can help you guys improve. And this channel really is it's for you guys to learn. I don't do any fluff. I get straight to the point. So let's do it. I currently use CapCut, but you can use any editing software. CapCut's free. You can use DaVinci, which is free. Before we do edit this clip, consider what kind of clip are you making? Is it new? Is it searchable? Again, does it have a good hook? Does it have a good payoff to where people are going to stay around long enough to watch it? With that said, let's watch what's happening here. So I was in a game, and I'm like sliding around.
I'm like permanent slide. Can I not slide? What's going on here?
This is not normal movement tech in Fortnite. You shouldn't be able to slide around like this. Before I start the clip, let's say if I didn't put a hook on this video, right? And I just started here. Maybe that would be a good opening scene where you're sliding around like that. But I don't think it's going to be enough because people see people slide in Fortnite already, and they might just swipe off. There's no context. And so that's why hooks are so important. How long is my hook? Let me show you guys my hook real quick. Fortnite has a brand new movement glitch that's absolutely broken. Go ahead and take a look. So first thing I say is Fortnite, and I'm giving context. All right, so if I start the hook right here, right when it's done, the hook, they're going to get an immediate delivery, right? And that's so important when you are editing your videos is you give the hook, and then you immediately deliver on it. So you need hook for context, and then you got to deliver. Since this is a gaming video, I'm going to put this into 9x16. I'm going to create 3 layers. Now, I'm not going to necessarily tell you how to do this. In CapCut, I just hold Alt, and then I drag it up. I'm going to take the bottom one here, and then I'm going to pull it to full size. Now I go to Effects. I'm going to create a blur. I already have it favorited. Having full screen, a lot of times fills a full screen is good. Now here, I'm gonna zoom it until it's just the gameplay. A lot of times when I see gameplay and it's like fully zoomed like this, it's too zoomed. You don't know what the heck is going on. In iPhones, they have like a thing on the top of them. Most people have iPhones. So I leave a little bit of space at the top and the bottom so that it doesn't cut off the clip for iPhones. All right, so I'm gonna crop my... So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our hook, put that at the top. All right, here we go. Fortnite has a brand new movement glitch that's absolutely broken. Go ahead and take a look. All right, so what I might do, I'm going to take the top part off, clip this out. Then we're going to move this where that was. So just like sometimes I try to look at videos like a thumbnail. If you look at the thumbnail, you got the title, you got the picture. The hook, what I'm saying, or sometimes the text on the screen, is the title. What's actually happening here in the clip is the opening scene. And just like a title and a thumbnail need to work together, the opening scene and your hook need to work together. It sets the scene for what's happening. What I might actually do is I don't think this opening scene right here is good enough. Right here, the movement, right? The movement glitch. This is happening. I'm going to move this right to where he starts to move. Fortnite has a brand new movement glitch that's absolutely broken. Yo, there we go. But what I might do is I might do a little bit of a scene change where I make this smaller. All right, so this transform button I just clicked. This is starting out zoomed in. Now that I click space, it's a couple seconds, it's just about a second in. That's going to create kind of a scene change. See, Fortnite has a brand movement for whatever reason in clips does well, and sound effects. I might even put a swoosh in here. Fortnite has a... Let's see. So we go to audio. The reason I like CapCut is because everything's right here. It's dummy proof. You know what I mean? Should have it favorited, but Fortnite has a... And now I'm not going to scene change during that first 13 seconds because it would take away from what's happening, right? We already set the stage. We already got the hook. Okay, we delivered, right? This didn't require any scene changes, but here, the reaction, right, of what happened.
What
Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a stat real quick. That is going to be the last thing I show you, where this right here may not need to be in here. But because I'm on a unicycle, I put this in here because, like, me freaking out, the unicycle in the scene might create more, like, what the hell's going on here. So that might not work for you. For you, maybe I would just end the clip right there, right after the delivery is done. And then I'm going to click transform. I go to the end of the clip, and then I pull it so that it's moving. People like moving stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and watch the whole thing, and then I'll show you that stat.
Fortnite has a brand new movement glitch that's absolutely broken. Go ahead and take a look. Yeah, why am I like... I'm like, permanent slide. Can I not slide? What's going on here? What is happening?
All right, so what you see sometimes is at the beginning here, people would put captions, depending on what's happening. I don't want the captions there because it may take away from my opening scene, the movement, this right here, right? So I'm not going to put any captions in it. All right, so let's talk about retention. We've got the hook, we've got the opening scene, we've got the delivery. Now, it's almost like as soon as you deliver everything that they wanted, shut up, right? I'll show you an example here. I'll show you the opening scene and the hook, but I'm going to go straight to the end. I'm the last alive. There's 3 Timmys chasing me who skipped school today, and my thighs have been pumping for 3 hours. A dub has never been so far away. All right, I've been riding unicycle for 3 hours. Can I win a game? Right? That's what people want to know. What's the retention here? 72%. On a minute and 10 video, it's really good. On a minute video, you get this to 80-something%. That might go viral. 80% and above is typically, it'll get you there. A minute in, what happens?
Let's go!
We get the dub. The moment we get the dub, like, I don't know what that number is, but it's like 30% of people fell off. So if I take off that last 10 seconds, the retention could go to 85%. So really what I should do is I should strip that off of there and repost it and now publish it to my subscriber feed and see how it does. That's what I should do with this. So when we look at this video,
What is happening?
probably should take it off. And I like my reaction. I think it pairs well with the weird movement glitch, so I'm gonna leave it. However, that's something to take into consideration based on the stats. If this video helped you guys, leave a comment down below letting me know I can help you with the next. Smash the like button, all that good stuff. See you next time.